All right, we have a fly in here and with this, so hopefully I'll capture him on video. Ah, I got him! All right, today we're gonna bring a fly swatter 2-in-1. Okay, it's a fly swatter and a bug killer zapper too. All right, so this is crazy. This is 2-in-1, so it's like the actual other fly swatters that you have, electrical. All right, now this one does have a handle that you push the button, so you could actually start electrifying the actual site, and when you get near the bug, you end up killing it. But the best thing is that you have the little base station to charge it. All right, now this base station, you could just leave it dock into the system and it'll start docking automatically. You don't have to worry about any extra battery or anything like that, because this is rechargeable with Type-C too. You could charge it in here. It's a 5 amp, or just keep it plugged in here and make sure that the prongs are connected to the bottom prong here. Now to turn it on is very simple. There's a light on, and there's a level one on and then off. Right, so right now you guys can see it, there's no light on, but then you could see the actual light, and then it tells you how much percent you have here. All right, percentage on the battery wise, and then when you want to zap something, you hold down the button and that's it. So when you want to make contact, all right, with it. But if you want to leave it on a base station, anything that will fly through in here will zap itself. So